Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will talk about how to browse internet. So if you want to browse internet or search anything in internet, firstly we need a internet browser. There are many type of internet browsers such as Google Chrome. We can see here it's a Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, etc. So firstly we have to go in a browser. Now we open a Google Chrome browser. Firstly we have to double click on the Google Chrome browser. Uh, we have come to the Google Chrome browser. It's the interface of Google Chrome browser. If we want to search anything, we have to write on the search here or here. Here we write anything to search. We can write flower. Flower. Then we can enter on the keyboard. There are many types of flower we are seeing. If we want to image, then we have to click on the picture. We have come to the flowers picture. We can find or we can search by this type. If we search snake, we write snake and then enter on keyboard. There are many types of snake. This is the way to search anything in internet browser. Hope uh, you can search anything by using internet. Thank you everybody.